Charlie is from using
Okay,
line
I'll ask somebody. Okay. Devika Prebil, can you please tell the definition of polygon?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
A polygon is a simple closed figure made up entirely using line segments.
Okay, very good, very good. So I had given you one assignment also to send me the different types of polygon till decagon, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Only very less assignments I got. By today, tomorrow is a holiday for you. So by tomorrow evening, I should get all the assignments. One A4 sheet is enough. Okay, one A4 sheet is enough. And decagon and all, if you are drawing in a small decagon also, no problem for me. You just keep a pencil and draw it. If any mistake has come, you can rub it. Okay, so by tomorrow evening, you should send me the assignment. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
And I have given one homework yesterday.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you remember what was the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Draw a pentagon and shade it into
Pentagon and
interior.
shade its interior. Will you show your paper? Show. Lift up your paper and show me the assignment. Draw a pentagon. Lift your paper up and show me. Let me see. Okay. Okay, fine. Emil ISO. Okay. Emil. Oh, Harriet ISO. Very good. Yes, Geetika. Yes, Smriti. Anna. Okay, Ashish. Ashish has done it. Okay. Show me your paper. Let me see. Okay, smile. Good. Now. Who else to show? Okay, Abhinav Sajan. Good. Okay, dears. Okay, I saw your assignment. Okay, you complete your notes with the last assignment given to you. Listen, children. Now, it's a very important topic I am dealing with. Today we are dealing with a very important topic. Very important. That is polygons itself. But we are studying the parts of polygons. Okay. So, a polygon, there are some parts for it. And it is very important also. And it is parts of polygons. I'll write the heading. So you can also write in your notes. Notes or listen, you have your rough note. Notes I will send today. Notes I'll send today. Okay. So if you have your rough note, you take the rough note, and by the time let me open this board. Okay.
Ma'am, can I take my rough note?
Rough note you take, because today I will send the notes. Every day, if the notes are there, I'll send it. Can you see the board running? Wheel running?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, it is a very important thing. It is very important and base of all of our studies. It is sides, vertices, and diagonals. I'll write. See, our topics are sides, vertices, I'll give the spelling. Vertices, sides, vertices. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
And diagonals, sides, vertices, and diagonals. Sides, vertices, and diagonals. Sides, vertices, and diagonals. So this is our heading. Okay, children. So sides, vertices, and diagonals is our topic now. Now, listen to me. Keep your pen, paper there. And listen to me properly. Sides, vertices, and diagonals. Okay, fine. Now, I'll move this board upwards, and I'll give you some more important things. See, First, what is the first polygon? That means the least sided polygon. Can anybody tell what it is?
Triangle.
Okay.
Triangle.
A triangle. A triangle. This is a triangle. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a triangle. Triangles. I'll give the name to that triangle. It is A, B, C. This triangle is A, B, C. Okay. And we have to study first what are sides. Sides of the triangle. No need of answering to me. You keep there, Emil Lijo, keep your pen, paper, everything there and listen to me. Listen. See, it is a triangle ABC. Okay. There are three sides for the triangle. There are three sides. There are three sides. Three sides. Sides, I will show you what is a side. Side means the line segment forming a polygon is called its sides. The line segment. Can you see a line segment here? Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
line segment? Line
Yes,
segment
ma'am.
means if it is a polygon, if you are drawing a polygon, you are drawing like this. You are drawing like this, right? So, for drawing a triangle, you have taken three line segments like this, like three sticks. There are three sticks for it. Correct. This three line segment, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These line segment, this drawing, these are known as sides. Sides. Okay. So, for a triangle, how many sides are there?
Three sides.
Three sides. For a triangle, three sides. Because we are naming a polygon according to its sides. Three sides, one triangle. A triangle has three sides. And quadrilateral has how many sides?
4 sides.
And a pentagon, how many sides?
8 sides.
Okay, so we are naming a polygon according to its sides. So a polygon, a triangle has three sides, and sides means that line segment we are using to draw that polygon is known as sides. Okay, so I already told you these are the sides. These are sides. So it is a triangle. Triangle, we have taken three line segments to form a triangle. Those line segments are known as sides. Okay. Since it is line segment, how will you denote a line segment? How will you denote a line segment? How many line segments are here?
AB.
So this is one line segment. Can you see this? Now I am drawing. See, that is a line segment. The name of that line segments are
Line
segment
AB. So this is one side. This is one side. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Line segment AB, that is one side. Can you give the next side?
BC.
Where
Line
we stopped.
segment BC.
Where we stopped. We stopped the line segment from A to B, right? B, we stopped. So we'll start the next side from B. What is that? What is the name of it? The second line segment?
Segment BC.
Segment BC. Okay. Then we stopped at C, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next line segment is this.
Line segment CA.
Line segment CA or line segment AC, both are same, because line segment we can tell reverse also, right? AB and BA. So line segment CA and line segment AC, both are correct. So how many sides are there for a triangle?
3 sides.
Three sides are there for a triangle. Okay. What are they? ABC line segment, triangle ABC. What are they? Tell me the three sides of triangle
line
ABC.
segment
A, B, line segment B, line segment C,
Nimicho, will you tell the answer? Can you name the sides of triangle ABC?
line segment
line segment AB,
Ah.
line segment BC, line segment CA.
Okay, good, good. Now what I am going to do is, I am renaming this triangle and you have to tell the sides. Okay, this triangle's name is PQR. Triangle's name is PQR. Can anybody tell the? Can anybody tell the sides?
Can I say, ma'am? Can I say?
Nihal Mustafa. Nihal Mustafa. Nihal Mustafa. Rename it.
yes ma'am
Yes.
PQ
Yes.
QR
QR,
and PR.
Very good. Okay. So line segment, you have to tell like this. Line segment PQ, then
Line segment
QR,
line
then
segment PR.
Segment RP or
RP or PR. PR or RP. Both are correct.
Ma'am, so what would RQ? Answer QR. Oh, sorry,
RP. RP. I'll write RP. If you are confusing, I'll write RP there. Okay, these are the sides. Yes. So these are the sides of triangle PQR. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
What would RQ?
RQ. What?
Sorry.
Okay, then next one. Next, listen. Now I'll draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. This side. This is a quadrilateral, right?
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
give the quadrilateral's name as P, Q, R and S. Can you name the sides?
Ma'am, can
This
I?
quadrilateral PQRS.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I'll ask somebody. Okay. Malavika Bini. Malavika Bini. Others don't need of telling. Okay, Malavika Bini. Yes. What are the sides?
PQ.
Very good. You have to tell line segment PQ like that. Okay. Yes. Tell.
Line segment PQ.
Line segment PQ.
Line segment QR.
Line segment QR.
Line segment RS.
Line segment RS.
Line segment SP.
Line segment SP. Very good. So these are the four sides of the quadrilateral PQRS.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one. Next. What is the next quadrilateral? Can anybody tell what is the next quadrilateral?
Square.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Next quadrilateral is pentagon. Can you see a pentagon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see a pentagon?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, I'm naming the pentagon. I'll name the pentagon now. Color.
Blue, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, blue.
Name of this pentagon is, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C, D,
D,
E.
E.
Okay, I will ask one person to tell the sides. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me ask. Okay, Kanishk, will you tell the sides of this pentagon?
Line segment AB.
Line segment AB.
Line
Good.
segment BC.
Line segment
BC.
BC. Very good. Then next one.
Line segment CD.
Line segment CD.
Line segment DE.
Line segment DE.
Line segment EA.
Line segment EA. Very good. So these are the sides. So you understood that the sides are all of line segments. Sides are all of line segments. These sides are line segments only. So whenever we tell this, to write the sides of a polygon, you just see the line segment joining, and those are known as sides. There is another name for the sides. We will call those sides as edges also. Edges. Okay. All right. Another name for the sides are edges. Edges. Edge. You know what is edge?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Of a table. Edge of a table.
Yes,
Okay. So edge means the sharp place where, see, if you have a book with you, what is the edge of that book? Or you have a scale with you, you can see the edge. Okay. Edge means that line segment itself. So another name for side is edge. Okay, fine. Now, this about sides, did you understand properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Now, next one is vertices. Vertices. Actually, vertices is the plural form of vertex. Vertices is the plural form of vertex. Vertex. Okay. Vertex is singular and vertices are the plural. Okay. I will show you what is a vertex. Okay. Next one we are going to study about vertex or vertices. If there are more than one, we will call it as vertices. Okay, vertices. Now we are going to study about the vertices. Okay, vertices. Again, let me take the triangle again and we'll start with the triangle. So, triangle. Can you see the triangle?
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
name the triangle as, A, B, C. Okay. Vertices or vertex. Vertex of triangle ABC are like this. See. Can you see a corner? Can you see a corner there? A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
C. How many corners are there?
Three.
Three corners are there. Corners. So vertex, did you understand what is vertex? It is the corner. It is a point. So vertex is a point. Right? It is a point. When you tell the name of the triangle as ABC, you can understand how many corners are there, how many vertices are there. When you tell the name ABC, each corner indicates one letter. Isn't it? See, A is one corner, correct? And B is another corner. And C is another corner. So when we indicate a triangle ABC, triangle ABC, there are three corners and three letters. So what are the corners? What are the vertices? Can you tell the vertices? Can you tell the vertices of triangle ABC? Can you tell? How many vertices are there for a triangle
Three
ABC?
vertices.
Three vertices.
And it is, see, when I denoted, I made a point like this. These are the points. So it is vertex A. That is one point A. If sides are line segments, vertices are points. This is the first one we studied. Point, location, line segment that we studied, right? So vertices are points. Point A or vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. So what are the vertices of triangle ABC?
Then vertex A,
Vertex A,
vertex B, and vertex C.
vertex C. Okay, fine. I'm drawing this. I'm erasing this and giving another name for this. X, Y, Z. Can anybody tell the vertices of triangle X, Y, Z?
Then vertex X, vertex Y, and vertex Z.
How will you denote vertex?
Point.
Point. So vertex X,
Point X, point B,
vertex Y,
Point
X, Z. Okay. Then again I am renaming it. I'll rename this triangle as which name? I'll give one name, cat. Cat. What is the triangle's name?
Cat.
Cat. What are the vertices of cat?
Point C.
Point C.
Vertex A.
And point
Vertex
D.
D. Very good. Okay. So, I'll take the next polygon. Can anybody tell the next polygon? What is the next polygon? Quadrilateral. Fine. So one quadrilateral. Draw. This is a quadrilateral, and I'm going to name it. Which name you want? I'll give the name. Okay, I'll give the name like this. Gold.
Then E, F, G, H.
What is the name of this quadrilateral?
Gold.
Can you name the vertices of this?
And vertices.
Then point G, point O, D.
Vertex? Vertex?
Vertex G, vertex O, vertex L, and vertex D.
Vertex L. Vertex D. I hope you understood about the corner vertex. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vertices means those points, those corners. Okay? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
there is one important thing that you have to remember always. Listen. Another definition is there. The meeting point of, listen carefully. See. One more definition is there. The meeting point of sides. The meeting point of sides is known as vertex. Meeting point of sides. Did you understand the meeting point? When I told meeting point, did you understand it? Okay. Did you understand it? I'll share it again. Where is the meeting point? Can anybody tell the meeting point of side? So our quadrilateral's name is gold, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the sides of it? What are the sides? Sides.
Line segment GO.
Line segment G. Line segment GO. And line segment OL. Where is the meeting point? These two line segments meet at one point. That point is known as vertex. Okay. So line segments meet at one point. That point is known as vertex. Again. Line segment OL and line segment DL. LD. This is one side. This is another side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one side and this is another side. It will meet at L. Point L.
Ma'am,
That is known as a vertex.
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 Ma'am, so here before vertices.
Yes. Vertices is the plural form of vertex. Okay. Girl,
Ma'am, you told
girls.
like 4 points. It will be there, and like if it is quadrilateral, it will be like 4 points. Like
If it is
point.
quadrilateral, there will be 4 sides and four vertices. If it is triangle, there will be 3 sides and three vertices. Correct?
Ma'am, so this word
Yes,
I
ma'am.
didn't understand, ma'am.
Who is that?
Anya KG.
Yes. Where you have the doubts?
Ma'am, I have
Ask
confusion
me.
that ma'am first you told about vertices, and then after the same thing itself you told in the vertex like they meet in 1 point.
See, vertex I did not tell it will meet. Line segment will meet at 1 point. Listen, sides. Can anybody tell the sides? Where are the sides? Where are the sides of it? Listen, I'll give the name of this as A, B, C, D. Can you tell the sides? Tell the side. What are the side?
AD.
Okay, AD. AD. AD is a side. AB is a side. AD is a side. Where is the meeting point of it? Will it intersect in any point?
No, ma'am.
No meeting
Yes,
point
ma'am.
for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the meeting point?
Ma'am,
A point A.
So this is a vertex. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Did you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Like that, B is also a meeting point. B is also a meeting point. Like that, C is also a meeting point. Right? So
Yes,
meeting
ma'am.
points of sides are known as vertex or vertices.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is
Excuse me,
asking?
ma'am.
Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ask loud. No
Ma'am,
problem. Who is
Ameya.
that? Who is that?
Ma'am, I could not see.
Who is that?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that? Tell the name.
Ameya.
Amaya, what is the problem?
Ma'am, I could not hear while you were telling about edges.
Okay, check your connectivity. Now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear now, but earlier I could not hear what you were telling.
Okay. Sides, can you identify the sides or edges? Both are same. Sides or edges, both are same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So sides are the line segments. Yes? Sides are the line segments and vertices are the corners. Corners. How will you make a corner? Make a corner of your room. How can you find out that corner? Corner of a room. Corner means the point where the two walls meet. There will be four walls for a room, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your room, you see. Just turn around and see your room. Isn't it? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
There are four walls. Which place you will call it as a corner? Where the corner is where the walls meet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So only that. The line segment meet at a point. Those are known as sides meet at a point. It is known as corner or vertex. Another name for the corner is vertex.
Vertex.
Use a corner as a usual term. When we tell about polygons, we use a term as vertex. And the plural of vertex is vertices. I hope you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, very important. Next one is very important. Now, listen carefully. Someone's parent is talking in between. I hope so. I can hear some disturbances. Listen to me carefully. Listen. There are four vertices for this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, how many sides are there? For a quadrilateral, how many sides are there?
4.
Four sides. How many vertices are there?
4.
Four. There are 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay. Okay. Now what I am going to tell is a very important thing. You are going to study a new word, that is adjacent. 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 Okay. What do you mean by adjacent? Smile. Smile is yawning.
Yes.
Okay. Adjacent means near. Adjacent means near. Okay. Now, point A, vertex A. You know vertex A? Vertex A. Okay. Do you know vertex A? How many vertices are there for this? How many vertices are there?
4. Ma'am, 4.
4 vertices. Okay, listen. Listen. There are 4 vertices, right?
Ma'am.
Vertices A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, vertex A is our vertex. See, look at vertex A. Okay. Which is near to it. Which
B.
vertex is near to
And
it?
B.
Connected to it.
Ma'am, B.
B is near to it. What about D?
Ma'am, it is far.
Yes. Listen to me. I don't want mass answering. You listen to me properly. We are taking vertex A. Vertex A is connected with 2 vertices.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are they?
Vertex B and vertex
B and
D.
Vertex B
Vertex B and vertex D.
Vertex D.
Okay. What about vertex C? What
No,
about
ma'am,
this
it's not
vertex?
connected.
It is not
It is not
connected.
connected.
Connected. So, now this A, B and C, sorry, A, B and D are known as adjacent vertices, which are connected, are known as adjacent, near, adjacent vertices. Okay, so which is the vertex adjacent to A? Which is the vertex adjacent to A?
D and B.
D, very good. D and B. And C does not have a connection with A. It is far away, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is known as opposite vertex. See, when you draw a line from here, you can clearly see it is opposite. It is opposite. Okay. So when you take vertex A, can you tell the adjacent vertices A? Can you tell the adjacent vertices of A? Fine. Right. Tell the answer. Ameya?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the adjacent vertices of A? I'll give the name B, C, and D.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Eh? Ameya cannot see the board.
Ma'am, I can't see the board. No, ma'am.
Ameya, can you see the board?
No, ma'am, it was the same thing. Ma'am, earlier you wrote some meaning of adjacent, and that's the same note here.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, it's the same.
Wait. Can you see the board?
No,
Can
ma'am,
you see
it's
the
the
board
same
now?
note.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What can you
Yes,
see? What can you see?
Ma'am,
Point
A, B, C, D.
Okay, quadrilateral ABCD. And you called a name for the quadrilateral as square. Okay, fine. Okay. So, I am giving A. Can you name the Amida Vinod? Tell the answer. Can you name the adjacent vertices for A?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear. I can hear. Tell. Tell. What are the adjacent vertices of A?
AB. AB and AD.
Those are sides. I'm asking about vertex. Vertex, point. Near
Ma'am,
to it.
can you B
Near to it. B.
near to A?
Yes.
B and D
B. D.
and D.
And okay. So if you take A, the adjacent vertices are B and C. But sorry, B and D. And C is called opposite. C is called opposite vertex.
Opposite.
Okay. Now let me give one another name for this. P, Q, R. Yes. Look at the board carefully. Look at the board carefully. There is one more quadrilateral and its name is PQRS. Okay. Now look at carefully. Ananya K. Vijesh, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me take the vertex Q. Vertex Q. Can you identify vertex Q?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the adjacent vertices of vertex Q?
Ma'am.
Q
Ma'am, P and R.
P and R.
Ananya Vijesh.
Ma'am, P and R.
Very good. P and R are the adjacent vertices. And where is the opposite vertex of Q?
S.
Where is the opposite vertex?
S.
Yes, very
S.
good. Okay. It is the opposite vertex. Again, I'll give the name it. Again, I'll give another name. B, E, F, G. Okay. D, E, F, G. So, see vertex E. Can you see vertex E?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Name the adjacent vertices.
T and F.
Yes.
D and F.
Okay. Sri Rudra, can you tell the adjacent vertices of E? Adjacent vertices of E. Yes.
Ma'am, F.
Where is S there?
Not the S, ma'am.
Eh?
F. F. She's telling F.
F. Okay. F and
F and G.
no, dear. There is a direct connection with E. It has a direct, it is connected.
Ma'am, F and D. F and
Very
D.
good. F and D. Correct. Now, where is the opposite vertex? Where is the opposite vertex?
G.
G is the opposite vertex. Okay. Now, again, now what all things I taught, do you have it in your mind?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know about sides?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, sides are the line segments.
Line segments.
Okay. What about the vertex?
The vertex are the corners. Join the
Corners.
corners.
What are adjacent vertices?
Ma'am, adjacent vertices means near.
The adjacent vertices are connected to this vertex. And what is opposite? Which is not connected is known as opposite. You understood it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
let me teach you once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Listen. Okay? I'll take one more shape.
New shape.
One shape I'll take. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me ask you some questions. Wait, let me erase it. A. Okay, this is our shape. And it is, which name shall I give?
E F G H.
A, B, C, D.
Goat.
A, B, C, D. Yes? Which name?
A
Is
B
that?
C D.
Eh? ABCD. After that, we will give different names. We find out the names. Okay. 5 like gold. Then 4-letter words. Find out some names.
Goat.
Eh?
Goat. G-O.
Boat. Very good. Very good. Boat. Then
Goat. B-O-A-T.
G-O-A-T. Very good. Very good. Goat. Then
Ma'am,
Body.
okay. So we will give different names. You will
Ma'am,
get
fish.
Alice. Very good. Very good. Enough. We got more names for our quadrilaterals. We got enough and more. Okay. Now listen. Listen. So, okay, listen. There are 4 vertices.
Yes,
4
ma'am.
vertices. There are 4 vertices. Can you tell the names of the vertices?
Ma'am, A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D.
Vertex A,
A, B, C,
vertex
D, vertex C,
vertex D. Okay. Now, when I connect, the A, B, C, D are all adjacent, near to it. Okay. When I connect to adjacent vertex A, B, when I connect to adjacent vertex A, B, what is the form of it? We got one thing. What is that? I connected adjacent vertices A and B. Connected, joined. What do you get when I connected to adjacent vertices? What is that, AB? What is that, AB? When I join, you are not getting what I am asking?
line
segment.
Very good. Line segment. What is that line segment called?
Line segment.
Segment AB is polygons 1 part. What is that? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, unmute your audio. Is Vrissa, like one child is there?
Ma'am.
Your audio is on. Will you mute it? Okay, listen. When I connected to adjacent vertices A and B, you got one part of a polygon. What is that? What is this today? First we studied that. Side. Okay. So when we connect two adjacent vertices, we'll get a side. Okay. Now B and C are adjacent, right? B and C are adjacent. I connected B and C. What did you get?
Side.
What is the name of that side? Again, I connected C and D to adjacent vertices. What did you get?
Line segment.
Segment. What is the line segment? What is the name of the line segment? Side.
CD.
Again, I connected the adjacent vertices D and A.
Line segment DA.
Line segment DA.
Line segment DA. What is the name of it? It is side? Side? DA. Side AD. So, what did you understand from this? When we connect two adjacent vertices, we'll get a side. Did you understand? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When we connect two adjacent vertices, I'll take some other color pen, you will understand it. Okay? When we connect two adjacent vertices A, B, C, D. A and B are adjacent. When I connected A and B, I got a side. Okay? So when I connected adjacent vertex B and C, what did I get? What did I get?
Line segment.
Side?
Line
What is the name of the
segment.
side?
BC.
BC. When I connected adjacent vertex C and D, what is the name of the side? CD. Always I am repeating adjacent vertices. Listen to that. When I connected adjacent vertices D and A, I got a side. What is the name of that side?
DA.
A. Wait. Okay, very good. You understood everything. Now, A, B, C, D is our quadrilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A. Take the vertex A. Take the vertex A. What are the adjacent vertices of A? What are the adjacent vertices? Then one fellow is there alone. What is that?
Vertex C.
Vertex C. It is not a friend of A. It is known as opposite vertex. Okay. Okay. If I connect that A and opposite vertex, we'll get one another thing. It is known as diagonal. Diagonal. What is the name of it? The name of it? Diagonal. Our topic started with sides, vertices and diagonal, right? Sides, vertices and diagonal. Sides, did you understand what is sides?
Yes, ma'am.
What are sides? Vertices, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And vertices, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When you connect two adjacent vertices, what did you get?
Side.
Side. Very good. Excellent answer. When we connected two adjacent vertices, we will get side. Okay. But when we connect opposite vertices, what you will get?
Diagonal.
So, did you understand the difference between sides and diagonals?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When we connect,
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am, you are not audible. Ma'am?
Ma'am, you are not seeing.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are not
Ma'am,
audible.
and class finished.
No, class didn't finish.
That I know, I simply asked.
It will finish after.
Host danger.
You are a dog.
Ma'am, missing.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am, how are you, ma'am?
There was a
Any
power
error
failure in
proof?
between. Okay. See.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? Yes. Okay. So, okay, it will take time to bring to my old drawing. Listen. So there are 4 vertices. When we connect, hello,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
When we
Yes, ma'am.
connect to adjacent vertices, we'll get a side. When we connect opposite vertex, we'll get an diagonal, a diagonal. Okay? Did you understand? Hmm?
Ideas.
Yes.
Ideas.
Okay. I'll give the shape again. No need of a shape. I'll give you directly. See, I have 4 vertex. I have 4 vertices. See, vertex A,
Mouse. Now.
vertex A, vertex B,
Among the 8 parts of speech.
Hello, ma'am. You are not audible.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
ma'am, you are not audible.
Hello, ma'am. You are not audible. Hello, ma'am.
So sad.
Hello, ma'am.
The 8 parts of
Ma'am is good.
8 parts of speech.
Ameya, ma'am. There is Ameya, ma'am. Ma'am, teach us English. No, maths. Ameya, ma'am, teach us maths. Ma'am, give. Your room 4. Ma'am, give.
Okay, children, listen. In between, there are some power failure. Can you see the board? Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Okay, board will come now. Wait. It will take time. Okay. See. Can you see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See. I am writing some other thing. Listen. There is, listen. There is vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. Okay. Can you identify the adjacent vertices? I connected adjacent vertex A and B. What did you get?
Right side.
Side. What is the name of the side?
AB. AB.
And we connected B and C. What is the name of the side?
DC.
Again connected with C and D. What is the name of the side?
CD.
And D and A. I connected with D and A.
DA.
Side DA. We got 4 sides.
Yes,
4
ma'am.
sides. Now listen. If I connect and its opposite vertex, B and its opposite vertex. I'll give some other take. I'll take some other color so that you can understand. Okay. I connected the opposite vertex of B. What is the name of it? Diagonal. Diagonal is a line segment. Diagonal also a line segment. Okay. What is the name of the diagonal? What is the name of the diagonal?
Diagonal BD.
Diagonal BD. Can you connect any of the opposite vertices?
AC.
Very good. The diagonal AC. Opposite vertices. Can you connect any more?
No,
Can
ma'am.
you connect any more?
No, ma'am.
So how many diagonals are there for a quadrilateral?
2.
Okay. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A are the sides. And what are the diagonals? Can you name the diagonals?
And BD and AC.
D and AC. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll give another names, and you have to identify the diagonals. Okay? Okay. I'll give another name. D, E, F and G. Name the sides. Name the sides. Can you name the sides?
Ma'am, side DE, side EF, side G,
I'll ask. To whom I'll ask? Ananya Jindo, can you name the sides? Can you name the sides? Yes. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you name the sides? Yes. First,
D and G.
sides.
D.
Sides are line segments. Remember that. Sides are line segments.
D and E.
Don't tell D and E. Sides are line segments. Tell first. Where are you? Are you there? Are you there? Yes, tell it first. Tell the answer first. Tell the answer first. Tell the answer first. Can anybody tell the answer? What are the sides?
Can I say?
Ma'am.
Tell the name. Tell the name so that I can identify.
Emil.
Emil. Tell the sides.
Ma'am, side DE, side EF,
Very good. Side D. Side D.
side DE,
Side EF.
EF, side FG, and
FG.
side GD.
GD. Very good. Can you name the diagonal? Can you name the diagonal?
Diagonal GE and DF.
Diagonal EG
EG and DF.
and DF.
DF.
These are the two diagonals. Sri Rudra, did you understand? Did you understand? Sanaiga, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. Now, let me draw a pentagon. Okay. Let me draw a pentagon and pentagon like this. Can you see the pentagon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. We can see the pentagon.
Okay. Okay. I'll give the name of it. Name of this pentagon is A, B, C, D, and E. Can you name the sides of the pentagon? Can you name the sides of this pentagon? Yes?
Ma'am, can I name it?
Yes, name. Of course, you can name. Tell the names.
Line segment AB.
Line segment AB,
Line segment BC.
line segment BC,
Line segment CD.
line segment CD,
Line segment DE.
line segment DE,
Line segment EA.
line segment EA. Fine. Can you name the vertex of it? Vertices? Can you name the vertices?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the vertices?
Vertex A.
Point
Vertex A,
Vertex B.
vertex B,
Vertex C, vertex D, vertex E.
vertex D,
E.
and vertex E. Can you name the diagonals?
Ma'am, can I?
See,
Can I?
I'm starting with
can I?
A. To where I have to draw the diagonal? To where? A. I'm starting with A.
Ma'am, to C.
Ma'am, to see.
C. Very good. To C. One diagonal. Now?
D to B.
E. To D.
D to B. Or
Now,
B to D.
now we cannot draw the diagonal from A. Stop. Right? If you draw, it will become a side. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll start with B. B. We'll start with B. B. Vertex B.
B
B to D. B to D. Then
C
B
B
to
to
E.
E.
C to E.
Vertex.
B to E.
From B, it is only this is possible. Now we'll take C. C. Any vertex is remaining there to draw?
to
C.
C to
Ma'am,
E.
C to E.
Ma'am,
It's like a star.
Now any more vertex is there?
no, ma'am.
Eh? Any more vertex is there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the vertices. What is the shape of this vertex? You see?
Star.
Okay. So this diagonals is like a star.
Star.
Okay. Did you understand? Did you understand today's portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the notes today. Shall I wind up the class?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Class?
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, I'll send the notes. Study well and come. Study well and come for the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll ask question. Today I asked somebody and she did not get. Who is that? Ananya Jindo. Okay. Study well and come, Ananya. Next class I will ask question to you.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll send the note. I'll send the note.
Thank you, ma'am.